Thanks for tuning in this week to TC Time. This week what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting brand new grips on our pliers because I ripped mine off last week. I was sitting there on my break at work and I just happened to look over and saw a piece of this hose right here. This is a 3/8 inch hose. And I thought, man, I bet that goes right on my handle. So sat there and I actually hammered the first one on. It worked really well. It's kind of how it turns out. I've been using these for about 3 weeks. Last week we had a 118-degree day, and I left them out sitting on top of my diamond plate toolbox on purpose outside all day long to see if it would melt or anything would, go wrong with them. They never got loose. These, every once in a while, you do stuff like this, and it's good enough. It'll get you by, and that's what we call a hack. When I put these on, I thought it was going to be a hack, but it's actually an upgrade because these are better than what they came with. And these are vice grip snips. These are some nice snips. They had nice grips on them. They lasted a long time. When they wore out, put these on, man, these are better than the ones they came with. So I decided to come home and upgrade all my pliers, and I'm going to share it with you guys on how to do it. Alright, so the first thing you do is you take your hose. This is an air hose that you run chemicals through. It's got a bursting strength, or it'll handle 120 psi, and if you get it above 76 degrees, it might burst. Okay, so that's what you got to look for when you go look for your hose. I'm going to put it in water just kind of soften it up just a little bit. Like I said, the first time I hammered them on, and that worked fine. I actually hammered them on with another pair of pliers, so it wasn't hard to hammer on. And then I just took my little torch and I heated up around the edges and sealed it all up, and that's how I did it at work. But anyways, when I got home, I decided to boil them and see what happened, how easy that would be, how hard that would be. And whenever you boil them, they get nice and pliable. You can put them on wherever you want. Okay. Real easy to put on. Anybody can do it. You don't need no tools. You ain't got to be good at nothing. You just got to be able to slide something on like that. Alright, so now that you got that slid on, got them about where you want them. That's about even right there. That's close enough for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these into cold water. And then I'm going to just press down around the ends. And what this cold water does is it makes this hose nice and hard again. Burns it all up. It's no longer pliable. Okay. So after you do that, if it's a little bit too long on one end, all you got to do is just trim it off to wherever you want it. And that's a done deal right there.